tell me about what you're promoting, the Moscato, the pink bubbly?
We're promoting the new Barefoot Bubbly Pink Moscato. It's deliciously sweet, tastes similar to cotton candy, your favorite cotton candy. Glad to be here today with the Black Culinary Alliance, celebrating this wonderful event. So we have our wonderful fruit champagne as well, fruit bubbly, pink Moscato, Moscato Spumante. If you want to go a little sweeter, we can go with our Riesling, our Pinot Noir for the red.
And the regular Moscato is very popular. I think that's your biggest seller.
It's popular, but instead of bringing the regular Moscato, I brought the Moscato Spumante.
Okay.
So keep the Moscato in the bubble.
Tell me about your catering.
Hello, my name is Nadej Feuerman, and I'm the owner of Feuerman Catering. We're an off-premise catering firm specializing basically in food. Wherever food is needed, we're there. That's a lot of corporate and a lot of social events. We also do tons of cooking parties because we believe food is fun and should be enjoyed with other people. So we do cooking classes, but really they're a way for people to meet new people and also interact with friends and family in a fun and interactive way.
That's fantastic. What do you specialize in? What kind of food?
I love to call my food world fusion because I'm a lover of food first. And I'm from Haiti originally, so that's the foundation of everything that I make. But we have a lot of Latin, Caribbean, and Asian influences in our foods. Like today at the BCA, we have a avocado and shrimp salad with plantain chips.
That sounds fantastic.
It is amazing. You should definitely try it. And we also have our Feuerman Catering specialty patties, which are either stuffed with chicken, beef, and we also have a sweet one stuffed with the guava, which is a
guava's my favorite thing.
Is it really?
Yes.
It's an amazing fruit that is very underutilized.
Absolutely. No one, you can't find it here. It's very hard to find.
It is very hard to find.
I mean, paste, I've seen guava paste, but not anything other than guava paste. Or guava drink.
Yes. And in the Caribbean, it's abundant. I just came from Guadeloupe from a culinary food festival, which I was invited as the special guest, and I mean everything is fresh. The guava, everything, guava juice for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So it's
I love guava juice.
Yes, yes.
Fantastic. Well, how do people get into, like, where are you located?
My office is in Brooklyn, but most of the catering we do tends to be in Manhattan and a lot of New Jersey. We do commute to Connecticut as well as Massachusetts. We've even been flown to the White House to cater
White House
kind of events.
You met Obama?
I didn't meet him because I was busy working. But you know, if somebody want to reach us, they definitely should check our website, which is fgcatering.com. That's F as in Frank, G as in George, catering.com, or just give us a call, 646-489-4120. They just want to chat about food. I love talking food. I love talking anything, in case you didn't notice. So if they just want consultation on anything, we're always glad to give advice about entertaining, home entertaining, or just recipes. So check us out.
All right, thank you.